Hi guys, so in this video we are going to install Oracle Linux 9.5. In the past video we already covered 10, but some of the software like the Oracle database pre-install scripts are not available and the RPM package is not available in the previous video. I mean the 10.0. So I'm going to, but it is available on 9 or 8 version, so I'm going to pick the latest version of 9, and you click on the same procedure like Oracle Linux yum server. Then you landed with this page. Okay, then you can download this file like 9.5. Okay, or if you can choose 9.6 also fine. Okay, so I already downloaded that file. Let me create one instance in Virtualbox. You can put the name like any Virtualbox name, VM name, then folder name, then you can select the hardware. So I can go with the 8 GB, and 2 CPU also fine, and the hard disks you can put like anything is fine, 20 GB, 40 GB. Then you can assign one network interface. Make sure you select net network, otherwise this internet connection not work. So the second interface you can take like this hostful interface and allow all, and accordingly you can select your interface name. Yeah, now we can go with start. Then it will ask for the Oracle Linux 9.5 ISO to attach. Now in this page we can select your ISO file. So since I already downloaded that file, you can see it is showing like almost 12 GB. Okay, mount and retry. Then it will start booting. The first option, install Oracle Linux 9.5. So now in this page you can select your language. Then you can click continue. And here in this page you should select the your installation destination. Keep it default like automatic. Click done. Then you can set the root password here. Then unlock this root account, and sorry, this yeah, unlock. It is by default unlock. We no need to lock that one, and allow root SSH access. Then click 2 times. This done. Then begin installation. It will take a couple of minutes. Installation been completed, so now it asks to reboot the system. So we can go ahead to reboot, and parallelly we can detach this ISO during reboot. The reboot system. Yeah, so it is automatically detached. You can see now the optical disk is like empty, so it should start to boot from the installed disk. Yeah, so it will ask to set off. Click on next. This one you can skip, and you can create one user. Click on next, and you can set the user password. User. Click on next. Thanks. And here you can see the command prompt is coming. Okay, this package installation and static IP and the hostname setting and the root password unlock, all this procedure remains same to this Rocky Linux. Otherwise you can follow the Oracle Linux 10 which I uploaded earlier. Okay, you can check that video. Yeah, that's it about how to install Oracle Linux 9.5.